Hello everyone, it's Orvi here, your nurse, mom, wife, and digital business owner from Queensland, Australia. I can't believe we just finished the 5 days Heatless Girl Challenge last week. And what started to be a fun little experiment ended up teaching me so much more than how to curl my hair. Well, this week, hindi siya madali para sa akin, para sa pamilya ko. So, I was back to my nursing shifts and I wasn't really feeling 100% mid of the week. And of course, our whole family is still grieving over the loss of my grandmom who just passed away a few days ago. And sabi ko, maybe I'll just skip this post. Pero I remembered something that growth isn't about showing up only when life is easy. Siyempre dapat show up pa rin tayo kahit messy, kahit na mahirap, kahit na may pinagdadaanan tayo. So day 1 wasn't really like sure if I can use the Heatless Curler correctly. Pero day 2, I started seeing a little bit of improvement. And sa totoo lang, on day 3, sabi ko mas confident ako dun sa result niya. And lo and behold, I got my first compliment. At sabi niya, saan daw ba ako pupunta? Kasi maganda daw yung buhok ko. So, I continued and day 4 and 5 was really great. Kasi mas gamay ko na siya kung paano siya gamitin. It was not only about how to use it, but it was becoming someone who knows how to be patient and learn new skill out from it. I didn't know everything when I started. I was not confident, I was making mistakes, pero I learned that this new skill can build my confidence. At least, diba, mayroon akong natutunan ulit na isa na hindi ko kayang gawin. And I kept showing up sa gabi kahit na medyo tinatamad na ako. Kasi alam ko, every small step, every lesson, and every challenge will bring me closer to what I am intentionally creating. So if there's one thing that I'd love to take away from that challenge, it's this. Don't let your imperfect day 1 stop you from experiencing your day 5. So whether it's learning a new skill or chasing a dream or you're building something for your family in the future, start ka lang, simulan mo lang.